What up, what up? Sandy and Danny here. We're back at it again. What are we gonna do today? We got something in my hands. What are these, Danny?
Control arms.
Control arms. So we're on Operation Cheap Jeep. We're gonna show you guys how to turn these old, I don't know, JT arms into ZJ arms. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah.
Ty Ty, are we back at the shop? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you back at the shop today? Are you back at the shop? Yes. Good boy. Yes.
Step one on this project is you want to make sure you take these old arms out. Super simple, just a couple of bolts, special bolts up front.
Boom. So what are you doing here?
So we are just measuring because we need to measure the arms and we're gonna build some to the same length. All right, so for all you XJ, ZJ guys, your control arms are about 5 3/16 from eye to eye. So we're gonna go ahead and copy a pair and make some new ones and get these old worn out bushings out of here. Let's go.
Okay, step one is to cut the bushings off of the arms that won't fit. So Sandy's gonna give me the baby and cut the bushings off.
Yep, cut the bushings off and we're gonna reuse these bushings on our new arms. Now, we will show you what the next step is. Now that we got our bushings going, let's go get our DOM. Woo-hoo.
Ty Ty. Ty Ty. Very interested in what's going on today at the shop. Anything sparks or anything like that. He's very interested.
So we found some scrap metal. This came out of the old roll cage we cut up. It's gonna be plenty long on both sides. We're gonna turn this scrap metal into some control arms over here. What we're gonna do is line it up with this right here. Get these two bad boys. Set it up right there. Set it up right there. Take our measurement, see where we gotta go, how long it's gotta be. It's gotta be about 14.5 inches. We're gonna cut this tube up and make some more. Now we got two pieces, exactly 14.5 inches long. We're gonna go notch these out and get this thing up on the road again. You guys, cheers, let's have some fun. What about you? What do you think? Are you excited to get your Jeep working again?
Oh yeah.
Obi, are you excited to get your Jeep working again? Tyler, are you excited? Yeah, let's go. Time to notch this out. We got our handy dandy notcher.
Can't forget the WD-40, huh? Tai Tai. Tai Tai. How's your bread? Oh, you like the pinky better? Oh no, bread. So what are you doing here? Making sure it all fits?
So now that we got it all, check it out.
Checking
Check
it
out
out.
the old arms compared to the new arms. Looking pretty professional on the cheap. And we're gonna go ahead and get this one welded up. Before we weld this one up, we are going to make an identical piece. That way both the arms are exactly the same length and we're all good to go.
What do you think of those new arms, Dad Bill? Huh? I think he likes them. Tyler, what do you think about them? You like them? So what are you doing?
Got our bucket of water over here. That way, after we weld these together, we're going to throw them straight into the bucket of water. We're not pressing out these bushings. That way, we don't know our bushings. It's going to be good. It's going to work. I've seen it done before.
Woo!
We are going to do a pass, throw it off with compressed air, and then go at it again. Once we get all the way around, I will dunk it into the water. Now let's see.
You caught on fire. Let's see if they fit.
My toast feels really good too. Ooh, baby. Look at that. That is going to fit perfect.
Yeah, buddy.
Ooh. Nice. A lot beefier. Right there. Scrap metal arms. Scrap metal arms. You never throw away scrap metal. Why? Because if you're really poor, you can make something out of it.
Oh,
Just
stop.
like we did.
Oh, stop it. What's the next step?
So if you come in here, there's some cam-eccentrics, and these are all wobbled out. So I'm going to put this up in here. Grind these edges right here nice and flat. So this piece just slides up in there. That way the arm doesn't move back and forth.
You got it, dude. Are you helping film a video while Dad works? Are you helping film a video? Yay! Good boy! Whoa! Crazy! Yay! High five, Tyler. High five. High five. Yay! Good boy. Now we're painting again. What do you say about this? The quickest way to make old Jeep parts look better or something?
Rebuilt right out of the box.
Oh, there you go.
yellow, but the yellow that we started painting our Jeep is completely sold out everywhere you go unless it's on Amazon for 40 bucks a can. So black will have to do for now. Right, babe? If anybody knows where to find the Crayola Sunbeam Yellow for less than $40, let us know. Or send us some.
Those look like some store-bought arms there.
Yeah, baby.
Woohoo! We're gonna bolt one. Nice.
Nice, nice.
Another handy dandy. See that? It's gonna fit perfect in there. Start to bolt on this side. Strap. Tyler wants to play with his VW2. Oh. Go.
Jeez.
Hmm.
You're going right in the front of the camera. So it doesn't move around. I see, I see. Okay, let's do it. Can't you use the air gun for this?
Doesn't fit on this side. Oh. I think that fit perfect.
Tight, tight. Now time for this one.
Should probably put the bolt over there.
Hey. Oh. Dropped it.
Now this one.
You can use the gun for because it's not by the wheel or what? Let's see. Just don't trip me with it. Oh god, does that mean I'm gonna get showered with some? Tyler did not like that one.
Cool.
That's how you do it?
How you do it?
Sick.
Fix the Jeep.
Now we're going on a test drive.
Hopefully you got might be framed